So that leads us to the Yokogawa merger, the acquisition there. So you guys now you've selected basically a partner to join up with to grow the solution. How is that going to work for you guys?
Yeah, so that's if you look at the world, the control of renewable energy is an objective for everyone. So the world is polarizing in three, maybe maximum 5 conglomerates of technological providers that are able to solve this challenge. And we're one of them. So what we thought was the best way for us was to create an industrial partnership. So we started to look around for industries that were interested in this technology. And sure enough, we found out the industry that is interested the most in renewable energy are these heavy industries that are consuming large amount of energy. Think about the aluminum foiling industries, or think about all of the industries in which you are, producing a large amount of metals, or you have to cool down, refrigerate, you have to, create larger scale productions that consume large amount of energies. And all of these industries, they are all looking for how do we decarbonize our operations? How do we reduce our cost? How do we get away from utilizing oil and gas and burning them in order to generate our energy to do this? And Yokogawa is actually a technology provider that is offering DCS solutions and distributed control systems to these industries. So it's already present in all of the heavy industries, in all of the oil and gas industries, in all of the heavy machinery, heavy equipment, heavy metal, water clarification plant, anything that really consumes an enormous amount of energy. And they were looking for a solution to help their customer decarbonize. So we basically found the perfect match, and we created a bond through an acquisition. So Yokogawa acquired 100% stakes of BaxEnergy a little more than 2 months ago. And the goal of this acquisition is to create a new larger scale operations. From one side, Yokogawa will distribute our technology to renewable energy providers, independent power plant suppliers worldwide. From the other side, we will supply them the technology that they need to decarbonize the heavy industries.
Well, that's truly amazing, because I think that is a perfect match of capabilities and industry, and connecting the two together to broaden out this technology and get it to all corners of the world, because it is going to be, as you have pointed out, a renewable future. And in order to have a reliable grid, you need to control these assets properly. And this is the beauty of BaxEnergy, I think, is how well you orchestrate all these different technologies together for efficient use. And BaxEnergy is going to be leading that way. I've learned a ton. And let's stay in touch, because BaxEnergy is growing, and it's going to be growing in leaps and bounds, and it's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much. It's been my pleasure. Thank you to everyone that has listened, and have a good day, everyone.